Rudy. I must mark everything, because once I mark it, it's mine. Yes, and tomorrow I'll do it again. Yes, I will. I already soaked my toilet paper tubes in my water today. Yes, I did. Now I must check to make sure that Mother actually gave me some hay. Oh, good. Okay, she did. I would never forget that, Rudy. Yeah. I know, it's hilarious. His hay pan is a turkey roasting pan. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is, Rudy. Oh, hi. Ah, no, don't chew my shoes. You know you're not supposed to do that. You just conveniently forget. Yeah. Yes, you do. I know you're smart. You're a smart old dude. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yeah, Rudy. Aw, Rudy, I love you. Oh, look at that nose. Look at that nose. Look at him. Yes. Really? You're doing a close-up of my nose. Yep. Hey, cat, get out of there, he says. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Don't take a chomp out of my bum. Rudy. What? Well, hi, Elvis. You kind of look like a Muppet. Yeah. This is very hard to film you from this angle, I hope you know. Okay. Okay. Hey. Oh, now that's a fresh one right there. Woo! Yep. Sitting on his kitty. Are you sitting on your kitty? Yes, you are. Whoop. Okay. Meow. Where are you, Elvis? Oh, hi. There you are. Yeah. Yeah.